Hi, I'm Rich with insideHPC. We're here at SC16 in Salt Lake City, and today we're here at the Altair booth, and I'm here with Jeremy and Bill. Gentlemen, welcome to Salt Lake.
Thank you. Thank you. It's great to be here.
Well, thanks for having us at your booth. But Bill, I think we should start at the beginning for folks who might not know. Who is Altair and who do you help?
Altair is a global software company, and we really focus on HPC with a whole bunch of applications in the manufacturing space, but also the PBS middleware.
Okay. And what's new since we last talked, Bill?
Well, wow. Last year at Supercomputing, 2015, we announced that we'd be releasing PBS Pro open source. 6 months later at ISC, we actually made good on our announcement. We released PBS Pro open source. We've had something like 2,500 visitors to pbspro.org. That's the one thing you should remember from here, pbspro.org. About 1,000 downloads of the prepackaged binary, actually exceeding my expectations even for what we're doing. Our goal was to try to drive adoption and try to sort of almost, I don't really want to say this, I don't want to jinx it, but move towards creating a more de facto standard in the workload management space by bringing together the private sector with the public sector and having one solution that works for both. So PBS Pro is dual license, so it's still commercial customers get the same thing. But in that space, we've had announcements here now at Supercomputing. First, OpenHPC, the Linux Foundation project, is now including PBS Pro in 1.2. Hewlett-Packard Enterprise has the HPE core HPC software stack, and they've announced that they're going to include PBS Pro, open source PBS Pro in that. More than that, HP is also including PBS Pro as the preferred workload manager in the HPE high performance computing software stack. And to top it off, and fantastic, Intel announced last night, Intel HPC Orchestrator, and that actually includes PBS Pro too. So the world is adopting PBS Pro. It's great.
Okay, so this open source strategy is helping you to proliferate this long-running technology, sounds like.
We are. It's fantastic. So PBS Pro, built more than 20 years ago. Started at NASA Ames. Has it's almost it's really getting great adoption. I mean, I don't know. I'm tongue-tied, and I'm not usually tongue-tied. You know that.
I've never known you to be tongue-tied. Well, Jeremy, we have you here because we wanted to talk about something else that Altair has announced in terms of cloud, the PBS Cloud. Can you tell us about that?
Yeah, it's a new product, a new platform, innovative platform to deploy and manage and monitor what we call HPC appliance. So what is an HPC appliance? It's a complete stack from the infrastructure, bare metal, or cloud environment, or at least also private cloud, with all the stack, OS, shader, HPC middleware, and but also CIE or other kind of applications. And just in minutes, a scientist or researcher can launch a complete stack on a cloud or bare metal machine.
Okay, so is this private cloud or hybrid cloud or what?
It's everything.
Really?
It could be on public cloud, it could be on bare metal machine, but it could be the link together, like hybrid cloud, to burst from a PBS Pro shader to Amazon, to Azure, or to other public cloud.
Okay. So the hardware could be in any number of places with this.
Everywhere. It could be in different on-premise place, or it could be in different public cloud environments.
So help me out then. In that case, who's your competitor? If all your competitors are part of what you're selling?
No, we are not competitors. we have.
I'm joking there.
No, we have competitors dedicated in the cloud management platform environments. So it's a company coming from the general IT solutions to deploy e-solutions, website and database in the cloud. But we are really specific to HPC, so we don't have really focused HPC competitors. So it's really innovative.
Okay, I would imagine, and this is designed for your, the Altair customers that have been using things like PBS Pro and all that kind of thing. It kind of make it easier for them to spin up a cloud.
Yeah, exactly. For Altair customers, PBS customers, but also HyperWorks customers or CA application like Solver and so on, they can easily deploy this application in the cloud. Okay. But we will open to other kind of customers later.
And is this available now? Can I go hit that button?
It's on beta. We have a beta right now.
Okay.
And the general ability will be announced in March next year.